Hi, I'm Marc-Andre Pichette, and today we're going to look at this very common wire connector. The Marette wire connector was invented by Bill Marr, an electrical contractor in the Toronto area in the early 20th century. Back then, all electrical connections were soldered and taped, which was a slow, difficult, and dangerous process. One day, he inadvertently spilled a scorching solder pot while working in a customer's home. Convinced that there had to be a safer and more efficient way of joining electrical conductors, Marr worked tirelessly in his basement shop until he finally invented the first pressure-type Marette wire connector. Over the years, the Marette wire connector became so popular that the brand name is now synonymous with the entire product category. Today, the Marette brand name is owned by ABB, and the complete family of products is manufactured here at the Pointe-Claire facility. Jean-Sébastien Ouimet is the plant manager. Aside from producing Marette wire connectors, what else happens here at this facility?
Our factory is specialized in plastic injection molding. With our team of 75 employees, we produce over 500,000 plastic components for the electrical industry every day, from electrical boxes that house plugs and switches to a wide variety of fittings and connectors. Also, through a strong vertical integration, we do multiple components for other ABB plants, like housings for emergency lighting manufactured at ABB's Hymas plant, or connector blocks used in meter bases manufactured at ABB's Iberville plant. Let's go take a look.
Let's go. Like all injection molded products, the Marette wire connector starts out with pellets made from polypropylene, a thermoplastic polymer. Different colors are used for different size Marettes, and in turn, different size wire connectors are used for different gauges or sizes of wire. The plastic raw material is vacuumed into a heated barrel, which moves the plastic pellets using an endless screw. Using a combination of heat and compression, the plastic is melted to 175 degrees and injected into a mold where the liquid plastic takes its shape. The mold then ejects the individual Marette wire connectors. Sustainability always being top of mind, excess plastic from the process is recovered on the other side of the machine, ground up, and mixed back into the raw plastic to minimize waste. The next step in the process is the manufacture of the small metal spring that sits inside the Marette wire connector and provides a secure connection for the wires. The springs are produced in these coiling machines from a steel filament and then sent out to be copper plated. Once back from plating, they're then loaded into this highly sophisticated automated production cell where spring coils are installed into the plastic body of the wire connector. It's incredible how many precise steps are necessary to produce this simple product. In addition, all Marette products are regularly strength tested to ensure every single wire connector is manufactured to a precise standard. Like many ABB solutions, the Marette wire connector started out as a simple time-saving idea that improved an arduous process. Since then, it's continuously evolved into a large family of products and the most recognized brand name in the industry, backed by the people who proudly manufacture these and all of the other plastic products in this facility. See you soon.